Alright, so I'm back at the beach where I was yesterday when I had all that real nasty wind. So we're going to take a look at what happened here now. As you can hear, it's still real windy out. You look over here, just decimated. Beach erosion is pretty bad, but not as bad as I thought. There was that sailboat that was out there. As you can see, still in one piece, facing a different direction, but still in one piece. There's beach erosion. This was flat beach as of yesterday. Look at water came up through here, ripped this ridge right through. It doesn't look like much, but make this is a lot, and it has to be super strong to be able to do that. And you look at a ridge all over here. See the beach, it just tore up. Over here. Coming back over here. Check out the tree. You can just see it just shredded right off this part right here of the tree. Came down. It's just absolutely torn to bits. It actually struck by lightning. There's the char marks. You just see it's ripped apart. Come over here, Captain. Come here, Captain. Staying right here in front of me. Just give you an idea how big this branch is. There's Catherine. That's how big that tree branch is. So I'll walk around to the other side real quick. There's where it came out. Just torn right through. Ripped and twisted.
Here's one of the branches.
So as you can see, pretty nasty down here. Wind still blowing a little bit. I guess from what the weather report just said, sustained wind still about 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 still. But you can see the water much calmer now. No white caps. Boats are just sitting there. All this water, all the ducks are gone too. So pretty crazy. We're gonna go down to a beach that's right at the end of our peninsula, so it would have gotten hit the hardest. So we're gonna go down there. That'll be the next update. So we'll see you later.